Hi everyone, this is Avni here from Unique Consulting Group, Toronto, Canada. I'm an authorized Canadian immigration consultant, an RCIC, member of ICCRC, presenting to you today regarding the current pathway from temporary residence to permanent residence for international graduates. International graduates who studied in Canada from a designated learning institution and who graduated on or after January 2017 are eligible to apply under this current new public policy. They have been conferred degree, diploma or certificate or a bachelor degree, master degree for a program or minimum length of 8 months or a diploma program of 2 years with a minimum 16 months of the program length. Like if you have studied 2 programs of 1 year diploma each, they both have to be minimum 8 months in length. For DVS and AVS, each program of study should be minimum 900 hours to a combination of at least 1800 hours. Regarding the language abilities, CLB 5 in each aspect of English language proficiency or French language proficiency is required, which is in read, write, speak and listen. The language test results need to be taken within the last 2 years. So they cannot be older than 2 years. If you're taking IELTS, it has to be IELTS General, or you can take CELPIP or TEF for French. Principal applicant should not be inadmissible in Canada on medical or criminal grounds, or should not be ineligible for overstay in Canada. You should have a valid status at the time of submitting your application, or if your status has expired, you should be eligible to apply for restoration of your status to extend your stay in Canada and be legal in Canada. Regarding your physical presence, you have to be present at the time of submitting your application in Canada as well as at the time of being granted permanent residence in Canada. This is an online application with which you have to submit all your information, all your documents all at one time to prove your eligibility. Incomplete applications can be refused. So you have to make sure that the whole application that you submit, along with all the forms that are required under this public policy, have been completed properly and submitted to immigration between May 6th and November 5th. So the intake starts on May 6th and ends on November 5th, 2021. The cap for these applications is 40,000 applications. All eligible students who wish to apply under this public policy, make sure that you are employed. That is one of the requirements. You could be employed in any NOC, but you have to have an employment in any field on the day you submit your application. So that is also a very important requirement. You have to be employed in any occupation. Regarding your dependent family members, those students, international graduates who have family members, dependent spouses and children, they can also be included on the application, whether they are in Canada or they are overseas. You can still add them on the application, and provided they meet the eligibility criteria of not being inadmissible in Canada for any reasons, they have to be declared at the time of submission of your permanent residence application. So they can be also granted permanent residence if you as a principal applicant are granted permanent residence. For more information, do visit us at uniquecg.com. All these information are summarized at the end of the video for your easy reference, and the next video that we are going to bring is for the foreign nationals and the stream under which they are eligible for temporary to permanent residence. Stay tuned for more information on our videos, and you can subscribe and like our channel to get more information. Thank you. So long. See you next time with video on temporary to permanent residence for foreign nationals who are residing in Canada.